Ababhikishi badele isimo sezulu esingesihle kusukela ezintatha ukuze kulalelwe izwi labo. Bengangeneki enyakatho nasentshonalanga yalesi sikhungo. Ababhikishi bafuna isisombululo ezinkingeni zabo.
We chose to come here and fight for our students. We have raised these matters. We have warned the university, on Friday that this might happen if the university does not come to party and actually assist ourselves to postpone the classes, to the following week. Because at this stage, we're not ready to start the classes.
Ukubambezeleka kokukhokhelwa kwemali yesikhwama iNSFAS kushiya abafundi abaningi bengenamali. Abanye abaqhamuka eLimpopo bafike namhlanje kodwa abanazo izindawo zokuhlala futhi abazithola izimpendulo.
I'm just scared right now because I don't know what's going to happen to me. I don't know anyone around. I don't know who's going to help me actually, but I'm just hoping.
Kunezingxoxo phakathi kwenyuvesi kanye nenhlangano yabafundi.
We monitor the situation on the ground. Staff and students have been advised to liaise with their line managers and lecturers respectively on how best to proceed with the day's operations and academic activities. We've also asked, that our staff and students keep an eye out on the university's official communication platforms where more information will be shared.
Inhlangano yabafundi ithi izoqhubeka nokubhikisha ize iphendule kwekhala ngakho.